Hey my friends, welcome to week 8. This week there's only one assignment. It's your rough draft that's due, and it's shared through Google Docs with your group members and with me. This is the first week where we've had nothing through Moodle, but I encourage you to look very carefully at the Moodle page here because you'll see that I have lots of resources here. How to peer edit, how to share the documents. I think most of you already know how to do it, but if you don't, be sure you figure it out before Friday, because Friday you need to share it with your group members and with me. And then I've given you a sample research paper to look at. This is just a rough draft, but you want it to be as close to the completed version as possible. Now, in the assignment itself, I have listed again how to share the documents, and I've given you the organization of your rough draft with an introduction, which includes your thesis, the body of the paper, which is support for your thesis, a conclusion, a works cited page. Please do not forget to include the works cited page for your rough draft. Now, this is a rough draft. Your paper does not have to be the 5 to 7 pages of the completed version. Your works cited page does not need to include the 5 sources I think I ask you to include, but there again, as close as you can get to the completed version, the more you will be able to use the comments from your group members and from me. Be sure that with your works cited page, each one of your entries is included within the text of your paper itself. Be sure that you have documented it in parentheses, each entry. If you want to know how to do that, you can go back up to actually week 7 and the citations and documentations, a general overview here. I basically gave you a book here in text documentation that will show you exactly how to do it. If you have any questions, ask me. Looking forward to reading them.